In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money on YouTube without making videos, without showing your face, and without using your own voice. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys an easy niche for beginners. I will show you how you can create those videos, faceless YouTube videos, step by step, and we will just use Canva. This video will be super easy for beginners who want to start faceless YouTube channel. So let's get started. So I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel over here. Upload just animal videos. Okay, it's super easy to make like those videos, guys. Okay, and as you can see, those videos getting million of views. Okay, look at this one, for example, 25 million views. Okay, this one, 22 million views. So for people who are asking if you can monetize those channels, yes, of course you can. This is an example. As you can see, this channel is monetized. Okay, and that's why they are still uploading videos. Okay, if we click over here on to see new videos, you can see they are still uploading videos, and of course they are still making money and getting more views. If we click over here on view channel state, you can see in the last 13 days this channel got 3 million views. It's even close to 4 million views per month. So this channel is really making a lot of money uploading those animal videos. It's easy to make like those videos. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start a faceless YouTube channel like this and start making money on YouTube, uploading those faceless YouTube videos, what you will do, you will just go to Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. What you need to do next, you just need to click over here on element, click over here on the search and search for animals. Okay, search for animals, click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of animals videos that you can use. So what we will do, so let's start with this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as a background and click here, make this video short. Okay, click on add page and add new page. Click on the second video, click on this 3 points again, set a video as a background. Okay, and make this video short like this, and we will add the background music. We will edit this video to make it more engaging and professional. Okay, so I will show you step by step how we can turn this video into professional video just by using Canva. Okay, so let's add different videos first. Click on add page again. So let me add more page like this, and I will go back to this next page, and I will add this one over here. So add different videos, don't use the same video. Okay, add different videos to make your video more engaging and professional. Okay, I will add this one, make it short again, just to 2-3 seconds, and that's enough. Okay, scroll down, add a different video. Okay, like this, 3 seconds. Click on the next page, scroll down and add another different video. Make it just to between 3 and 2 seconds. Scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here. Okay, let's add this one like this. Go to the next page, add another video, and it will take just a few minutes from your time to make like those videos. They are really super easy to make. Okay, I will add this one here, and I will make it short. And after you finish, so I will add another video. So this will be the last one, and we will add the background music, add transition between those videos, So let me add the last video. Let me see. I'm gonna add this one like this. Okay, we'll make it short. What you will do next, go back after you finish, go back to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more professional and engaging. You can use different transition between those videos. So for me, I'm gonna just use this one, match and move. I like this transition. Make it to just to 0.3. Click on apply between our page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to add background music. So how you can find free background music, go to YouTube, search for this channel, no copyright background music. This channel upload free copyright background music that you can use. Okay, so check those background music and see which one will be matched with your videos. Okay, so for example, let me scroll down. So for example, if you find this one, for example, it's good, you will click here on this 3 points, click on share. Okay, copy the link of the background music, go to Google, search for this website, search for Tube Reaper, click on the first link. You will be directly in this page, as you can see, and put your YouTube link here. Let me show you. So what you will do, you will put your video link here. I'm gonna delete this. Just put your video link here like this and click here, and if you scroll down you will find this option here and click on extract audio. Okay, and this background music audio will be uploaded to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to Canva. Okay, go back to your Canva homepage, click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your background music from your laptop. Click on open and your background music will be over here. Click on your background music. Your background music should be here. Click on your background music and click over here and decrease the volume to just 50 like this. So let's check the video now. Let me see to see if it's really good or not, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. Let's check. And as you can see, it's really amazing. Okay, if we click over here, let's check again. It's easy, guys, to make like these videos. As you can see, it will take just a few minutes. You just made faceless YouTube video. Click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, and go and start making videos like this channel. Okay, and this is an example. This channel is monetized, so why not your channel will not get monetized? If you can just make those videos more engaging and professional, that will be really great, and your channel will get monetized. Okay, so this one is monetized, as you can see, and this stuff uploading just those animals videos, okay, with background music. And make sure to make your videos like this, make your videos long. Okay, so I just don't want to make this video too much long. You will click on the next page and you will add different, make sure to use different animals, okay, to make your video more engaging and good. Okay, that's how you can start faceless YouTube channel. This is an easy niche for beginners who want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice. This is easy. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I'm gonna answer all your question, and see you in my next video.